Hi guys, wait, shoot. Hi my little mixers. That's gonna take me a while to get used to. But anyways, in this video we're gonna be making vegan banana bread with chocolate chips, and let me just tell you, the vegan version is like 10 times better than the normal version. So you should really stick around to watch this, and you should also try it out. So let's get on to the video, and I hope you like it. Get yourself 2 ripe bananas, and the more ripe and ugly they are, the better it is for the banana bread. Here's some fun footage of me peeling a banana, cause that's so interesting, right? Oop, it fell down, whoopsies. Fun fact, even though no one asked, I haven't eaten a banana in like years, like a raw banana. Like I always have them in smoothies or something else, but I haven't eaten a raw banana in years. Okay, so hopefully you guys know how to peel bananas, but once you've peeled them, just get ready to smash them. With a fork or a potato masher, guys, don't be dirty. Just mash them until there aren't too many big chunks left. Add in a tiny bit less than 1/4 of a cup of white granulated sugar. Along with the white sugar, add a little bit less than 1/4 of a cup of packed brown sugar. Now mix that up with the smushed bananas. Add 1/4 of a cup of coconut oil and make sure that it's like melted, because the last time I used coconut oil, it turned out chunky and gross. You should go check out that video. I'll put it in the card right here. Add about 1 teaspoon of vanilla, and now that I'm looking back on this, like that small piece of paper still on top of the vanilla bottle thing is bothering me so much. Obviously, it's time to mix it all up. After you've mixed it all up, add 1 cup of all-purpose flour plus a little bit less than a 1/2 cup. Yeah, guys, surprisingly, I didn't spill a bit of all-purpose flour. Isn't that shocking? Like, I got it kind of perfectly, and you guys are probably wondering why I don't like level off my flour cups and stuff, but I'm just too cool for that. So yeah, I just guess, and usually it ends up failing, but it didn't fail this time. Woo! Mix it all up until you get like a smooth consistency. Add about 1 teaspoon of baking soda. This part's completely optional, but I would highly recommend it. I added like 3 dashes of cinnamon, which is probably about 1 teaspoon. So yeah, I would like definitely recommend this because it just makes the flavor like 10 times better. Add a teeny tiny pinch of salt and make sure that it's teeny tiny. Mix it all up and then add 1/4 of a cup of chocolate chips, or you could do walnuts or like different nuts, I don't know. I personally do not like nuts, so I chose to do 1/4 of a cup of chocolate chips. And yeah, make sure not to overmix too much. Psych, I meant 1/2 of a cup, not 1/4, but honestly it doesn't really matter, it's just personal preference and how much ever you want. Get some parchment paper and line your baking pan. My baking pan's a 9x5 inch like bread thing. But yeah, you're going to want to line it with parchment paper, or you can also just use like butter or nonstick spraying oil, canola oil spray. Whatever, just make sure that your banana bread doesn't stick to the pan. When you first put your batter into your pan, it's going to look like very less, and it's going to look, or it's not even going to come up to like the halfway mark of the pan, but trust me, once it goes in the oven and once it rises, it will turn into like bread, like actual bread. Sprinkle over 1 tablespoon of brown sugar, and I would use your hands and not make the mistake of using a spoon because, I don't know, it just got clumped up and it like fell everywhere and I have regrets. And then you're going to want to stick it in the oven at 350 degrees for about 25 to 35 minutes. I'm putting 35 right now in the oven, but I actually ended up needing only 25. So yeah, that's why I'm just forewarning you right now. Here's the first time I opened the oven. Here's the second time I opened the oven. Here's the third time opening the oven, and I basically trusted my instincts, which told me that it was done. And it was. I'm not gonna lie by saying that it looked pretty when it came out of the oven, because no, it was ugly. But that's okay because it still tasted good 20 minutes later after it cooled down. Like I said like 0.2 seconds ago, you're going to want to let your banana bread cool down for about 20 minutes, and then once you're done, just take it out. And if you like use cooking spray, it should easily come out, and if you use parchment paper, you should be able to easily lift it out. So lift it out and just, you know, take off the parchment paper and slice it. Guys, please trust me when I tell you that slicing any type of bread is the most satisfying thing ever. It's weird, but it's so satisfying to like cut into it. Will you look at that? It looks gorgeous and it tastes even better, trust me. Like you can't even tell that it's vegan. It's so freaking good. Okay, anyways, I hope you guys really enjoyed this recipe. It's getting late, which is why I sound so tired. But yeah, I hope you guys like this. Please make sure to like, subscribe, blah blah, do the usual, and leave comments because I love replying to them. And I will see you guys in my next video on Friday. Please stay safe and wash those hands and make sure to stay inside. Okay, yeah, bye!